Statistics show countering an initial offer raises your starting wage an average of 7.4%, per a Forbes article from January 8, 2020. Begin by opening Glassdoor.com. This platform hosts over 130 million company reviews and salary reports, offering a broad view. Search for your target role and company. Filter by location and experience level to find an initial compensation range. Note the median and high-end figures. Next, for tech roles, navigate to Levels.fyi. This free, community-driven site provides granular compensation data, including base, stock, and bonus, often broken down by specific levels within companies like Google or Meta. Search your desired role and company. Compare offers by total compensation. Now, expand your research using Payscale.com. This platform uses proprietary algorithms and over 9.7 million employee salaries, offering data for a wider range of industries beyond tech. Create a free profile and input your skills. Review its personalized report for another data point. With your data, draft an initial negotiation script. State a range that is 10 to 15% above the low end of your researched market value. For example, if your range is 80K to 100K, request 92K to 105K. Clearly state your value and cite specific data points during your conversation. Finally, prepare for counteroffers. If an offer is below your target, calmly reiterate your researched market value. Reference specific data points from Glassdoor, Levels.fyi, or Payscale. Aim for a specific increase, like an additional 5 to 7% on the base, justifying your expertise. This maintains professionalism. You've learned to use Glassdoor, Levels.fyi, and Payscale Data to craft and justify your salary negotiation scripts. Next, watch our video on leveraging AI for resume optimization.